What's up, everybody? We got another new crawler. It'll be Jolene's first one. We got her to the trx4 hightrail. Got a blue one. They're having a sale on these right now. So, you ready to get it out of the box?
Yeah!
Alright. Here we go. Oop. Right there. Might need a knife, it might be a little easier. No. Yeah, I don't know if they've just been overstocked with them or what, but they have a pretty good sell on for $300. You can get them just as cheap as the regular standard ones. And these come with the light kit on them and lift kit and everything else on them. So it's ready to go.
No batteries included.
Yeah, we had to get a battery. That's how they all are. Alright, there's your remote. Cool. Remote control. Alright. Woo! Get it out there. Cool. This is a little easier unboxing than the Mom's Red Cat, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Ooh, this is lighter too.
Lighter?
Yeah.
Alright. We got a sticker sheet. I think we got some stickers if you want. That is a pretty cool truck.
I like the blue color.
Yeah, that's pretty, ain't it?
Oh, it comes with a fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher? What?
It comes with a fire extinguisher on it.
Crazy. And you got some traction boards. If you get stuck, you can take them off and get traction. This truck is ready to roll. We do have some, I think they're Hobby Soul wheels and tires. I got them mudslingers, I think they are on them. I think we're going to put them on there. Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
Put them on?
We need a human.
A human?
Yeah. We can make seats inside.
Yep, yep.
Since there's a fire extinguisher for the person.
Yeah.
I think
Suspension's pretty good. These come with the 2.2 wheels on.
It comes with a shovel and a washer for the car inside.
Oh yeah? You got an axe and a shovel. Cool. And then you got your gas cans over here.
Gas cans.
You want to turn it around so I can see the other side?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Here's your traction boards.
We got a nice cool top when we go. Like, we could do a little hike and we could put snacks up here.
Snacks. Yeah. You can get, maybe we can get you some luggage stuff or something to put up here. We can find something. They got all kinds of accessories. Has the plastic winch on there, which I have a Traxxas winch. We'll be putting that on there. Then, like I said, we'll be putting your new wheels and tires on. I got foam inserts for those. And then we'll probably put some brass weights on it, of course. But we'll probably, tomorrow we'll probably be doing a little riding dirt bikes, so that's if it don't rain too much. But if it rains, we'll probably be out.
RCing.
Yep. And then we'll have a video of this thing coming up. We'll see how it does. The videos I've seen, they do pretty good stock right out of the box. So we'll see. Alright, you got anything else? Are you done?
No.
Alright, guys. Well,
Bye.
alright, that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching. Like or
See you
subscribe.
next time.